Right, here's a little video to show you how to set some work and some different ways that you can do that. So once you're on a particular classes page, if you go, you can obviously add some notices on here, and you can actually write a notice. Let's just say, watch the news. You can just click the arrow at the side and schedule that, so it comes out maybe tomorrow. Sorry, that's tomorrow at 9 o'clock or whatever. So you can schedule something there. You could add something to it. If you wanted to set some work, you go on classwork. You can create something new. So let's say I want to create an assignment, and we're just going to call it test and do it. So we can add on there, we can either add a file, but if you add it as a Google Drive, they can actually edit it. So if I add a Google Drive and I've set up a little recent document just called test assignment, so I add that in. The key bit is this bit. So this just lets them view that. If you change that to make a copy for each student, they can edit it and they don't have to make their own copy and then add it on. So it automatically just updates for them. Once you've done that, you can either set the amount of marks, you can set a due date. So this is due for Friday at 5 o'clock. I'm not going to set a topic, and then you can assign it, but you can actually schedule that. So I'm actually being able to set the work for my classes days in advance. So I teach this class on Friday, I want them to get it at 9:05 when I would have them period 1 on a Friday, and it's scheduled. So that's done. In addition to that, so for instance, I've got one for my year 8 football team, and I've been able to add a quiz from Google Classrooms. From Google Forms. So you actually make something on Google Forms and edit that in, and that's scheduled for later this week. You can see, for instance, my year 10 class, they've got some work. One task is assigned, that's in there. I can see who's handed it in, who I've already marked, and then that one's not yet come out, that comes out on Friday. When I click on here, if I go into who's handed it in, you can see who it's been given to. I can actually scroll down and can see who I've given marks to, and then what things I've written on there as well, which is really, really useful. If you wanted to know how I make these videos, it's really simple. It's called ScreenCastify. It's up in the top corner up here. I've had it as an addition. If you just type into Google ScreenCastify, it'll tell you all about it. And you can, like it says up there, it's already installed for me, but you can install that as a little addition to your sort of desktop up there, and it allows you to record or just listen or whatever it might be that you want to do. So I hope that's a little bit useful for you. Thank you.